Welcome to the Autoscope YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss why regular oil changes are essential for your BMW. Neglecting regular oil changes can lead to severe engine damage. Imagine your BMW's engine seizing up in the middle of a busy highway. Routine oil changes are crucial to avoid such issues and ensure your car runs smoothly. Oil acts as the lifeblood of your BMW, lubricating and protecting its engine. It reduces friction, prevents wear, and keeps the engine cool. Without it, your engine's performance and longevity are at risk. BMW recommends oil changes every 5,000 miles or annually. However, your driving habits and climate can affect this schedule. Frequent short trips or extreme temperatures may require more frequent changes. Oil is critical to your vehicle's engine health, reducing friction and protecting parts from wear. Regular oil changes ensure peak performance, especially in extreme temperatures. Autoscope offers comprehensive oil change services to keep your BMW running smoothly. Not all oils are created equal. BMW typically recommends synthetic oil for its superior performance and longevity. It withstands extreme temperatures and provides better engine protection than conventional oils. Always refer to your BMW's manual or consult a specialist to choose the right oil. Using the correct oil type ensures optimal engine performance and extends your vehicle's lifespan. Performing your own oil change can be cost-effective, but you must have the proper tools and expertise to do it correctly. Mistakes like using the wrong oil or not replacing the filter can harm your engine. Consider professional services for peace of mind. Professional oil changes offer thorough inspections and expert care. By choosing a trusted service, you ensure your BMW receives the best maintenance, preventing costly repairs and keeping your engine in top shape. If you are looking for more information, visit us at autoscopecarcare.com or call 214-462-7863. Thank you for watching.